high, where we've just finished all our warm-up exercises and we're all ready to start now. We are in Fitness Solutions here. This is GK2 and this is our instructor Kiran Sani.
Hi.
Kiran, so what are we doing today? You've got these fancy objects in front of us.
Yeah, this is called Pilates ring or magic ring, or also called isotoner.
Isotoner.
So we are going to use these isotoners to do some Pilates exercises.
Okay, great. And work out Vikram Anjali.
Yeah,
Yeah? Have you ever tried anything with this before? Great, so.
It works out basically on the principle of push.
Alright.
Earlier we used to have a bull workout which we used to pull. And now this, the more we squeeze. So this is how it works. And you can do practically every muscle group, like here you're utilizing your pectorals for pushing.
Yeah.
So also what it does is it isolates the muscle group that you're working on. Specifically, the muscle group is taken care of.
Okay.
I'll be giving you examples.
Great, yeah, let's get into the workout actually.
So you're lying down, and the first position is this, where you've kept the ring in between your thighs.
Right.
Just try squeezing it with your thighs. Squeeze, squeeze harder, squeeze so hard, Anjali, that yes, fantastic. That two ends, they are touching each other, and then release. So your adductors, the inner thighs come into action. The longer, the better. So squeeze, 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 and release. Generally, for adductors, we don't have specific machines.
Right.
We have very heavy equipment. For adductors, this is a very nice portable piece of equipment.
And it's hard. It's
Yes.
not easy at all.
It's not. And then your core, of course, is coming into action. Let's add crunches to the same thing. As you're squeezing, you exhale and crunch up. So what happens, as I told you earlier, keep squeezing, keep your head there. Now it isolates the stomach, the rectus abdominis muscle, and does not let the hip flexor come into action and help it.
Okay.
So it's isolating the ab muscles, and also you're adding the adductor. It's a more compound exercise. Inhale on the way down. Keep squeezing, come up, exhale, keep it holding there. The more you hold, it's better, and it becomes tougher and tougher.
Wow, I would never think that something as light as this and as sweet looking as this, something that's called a magic ring, can actually be such a torture instrument. It's really hard. I mean, I can feel all the muscles in my legs just coming into play, and they're like
Right.
It's hard stuff. Anjali, are you doing okay?
On the way down. Let's do 10 repetitions starting now. Go 1, exhale, squeeze your abs, inhale on the way down, go 2, and down, 3, continue down.
I really suggest you try this one out for yourself, because I know perhaps you can't see the effort that is going into a movement like this, because for us it's a really small movement. All you're really doing is trying to touch your knees in, but because you have this whole resistance object in the middle, it's making it like a very, very tough exercise to do. What else can we do with this ring?
Yeah, you can do all the Pilates, all the yoga exercises. Let's do the bridging pit. Go pelvic raises that we do. Now take instead of the head, take the hips up along with the squeeze. So this is the bridging, and the squeezing bit is also happening.
Oh my God.
And down. Down, you release. Again, up you squeeze. Charu, I've seen the movie called Made in Manhattan, where J-Lo is actually shown doing this Pilates ring workout, yes. And the instructor goes, squeeze harder, and the ring pops out. That's J-Lo. Yeah. So you know J-Lo's secret now.
Alright, well, we're going to carry on with these exercises. Pilates as a system is something that's slow, but it's so intense that it really gives you deep, deep workouts and right at the core of your tissues. Well, we're still carrying on with this. We've been doing quite a few very interesting exercise postures using this, the magic ring. So Kiran, are we now at the end of our class almost? Are these part of the cool down exercises?
Yes. We are stretching and cooling down, especially the waist. Once more. These are called mermaid stretches. You stretch out like a mermaid.
Like a mermaid?
Yes. And we stand now.
Alright.
So standing also, every muscle group it can work. Be it triceps or pectorals, take it behind you. And let's see. Take it behind your hand.
Squeeze.
This is how you squeeze.
Wow.
Yeah.
The squeezing thing is good.
The harder you squeeze, it works like, especially for toning up muscle groups. So you really don't need the weights, the dumbbells, the barbells.
Right.
It's isometric stretching contractions that you're doing. You squeeze and hold it there.
Right.
So even if you don't do number of repetitions, but squeeze and hold, it works wonders for the muscle group for toning up. Similarly, standing, you can keep it on your side. And again, it would work on your shoulders, the deltoids. Squeeze it here.
Lots of stuff. A lot of these exercises are really, really tough because this is really giving a lot of resistance.
Yes.
So what are the benefits you would say of doing this kind of a workout, Kiran?
Basically, this is a very small, light, portable piece of equipment that you can keep it at home and carry with you while traveling. And it's one single piece of equipment which works for your complete toning up exercises without doing weights and barbells and heavy piece of equipment. And then it isolates the muscle group. The other muscle groups don't come into action while you're doing this.
Okay, let's ask the workout victim. How was her experience? What did you think?
It was good.
Yeah?
All my muscles are nicely stretched.
Huh.
So I think, I'll be looking forward to doing it more. But since it's more stretching of muscles, how often can you do it? Because obviously you won't be able
That's a good question.
Yeah.
How often can you
You
do it?
of course need to combine your workout with the cardio workout. This is not a cardio, as you can see. It's more of a sculpting and toning up.
It's a toning, exactly.
Yes. So it is, you can do it about 3 times a week.
Okay.
Rest, you should be doing some cardio, incorporating some cardio exercises also.
Very nice. Okay, Kiran, I think everyone needs to know how to get in touch with you, how to come to Fitness Solutions.
There's my website, which is called fitnesssolution.com, FITNESSOLUTION, fitnesssolution.com. Else, you can get in touch with me through my phone number, which is 9810530027.
Great. Otherwise, you can always write to me at metronation@ndtv.com and I can put you guys in touch. We're always on the lookout for new workout victims. Workout victim, being a workout victim? It's good fun. You get worked out, but it's good fun, right? Always on the lookout. Do join us for the next show, everyone. Thank you. Bye.